Poultry farming. Poultry is the rearing of domesticated fowl, ducks, geese, turkey and some varieties of pigeon for their meat and eggs. The specialized meat producing poultry birds are called broilers, while egg-laying poultry birds are called layers. The tremendous rise in the availability of poultry is called the Silver Revolution. Variety improvement in poultry farming. It is done by cross-breeding indigenous breeds with exotic breeds. The improved varieties are developed for the following desirable traits: to improve the quality and quantity of chicks, to develop dwarf broiler parents for commercial chick production, to develop breeds with low maintenance requirements, to develop varieties which have tolerance to high temperature. Egg and broiler production. Hens raised for egg production are called layers. The young birds need to be vaccinated. Their food should be rich in vitamins, minerals and macronutrients. They start laying eggs at the age of 5 months. The average egg production period in commercial layers is 500 days. Broilers are quick growing birds which are raised for 6 to 8 weeks. They attain a weight of 700 grams to 1.5 kg. Their food is rich in vitamin A and K. Shelter. Shelter for poultry birds should be clean, well illuminated and well ventilated. Birds of different ages should be housed separately. Temperature in their living place should be kept between 34 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius. Diseases and pests of poultry birds. Poultry birds suffer from a number of diseases caused by virus, bacteria, fungi, parasites as well as nutritional deficiencies. Preventions. By providing proper housing, cleanliness, sanitation and a rich diet. By timely vaccination against infectious diseases.